We are going to review top 5 best belt sanders. Let's get started. List number 1. Makita 9403, Best Belt Sander. It may seem surprising to a lot of woodworkers, but the Makita 9403 was launched way back in 1999. 20 years later, it still continues to outsell a lot of its newer competition. The reason behind its ongoing appeal isn't too difficult to decipher though. This is a very powerful and reliable belt sander that can make short work of thick, dense stock. It is easy to use and has specifications that aren't obsolete even today. Save yourself some time and effort and connect it to your vacuum using an adapter, or to a much larger bag, might need some tweaking. To be honest, the blower on this is strong enough to efficiently remove the dust without the need for a vacuum. List number 2. Ryobi Be319, Best Belt Sander. The Ryobi Be319 is a pint-sized belt sander that can be maneuvered easily into awkward angles. It stands just 6.3 tall and weighs just 6.18 pounds. It comes with 2 rubberized handles that allow a firm grip and a comfortable handling position, even if you have sweaty palms. Well equipped for the price. Despite the entry-level pricing, the Ryobi Be319 comes with a set of specifications that make it well suited for small to medium-sized jobs in the workshop. It is powered by a 6-amp motor that gives it a fair bit of power. But it's not a variable speed sander and has a single speed of 320 feet/minute. It is better suited for finishing jobs. List number 3. Makita 9903, Best Mid-Priced Belt Sander. The Makita 9903 is a beefy belt sander that offers a lot of power courtesy an 8.8-amp motor. Club this with the variable speed control and you have a very versatile unit that can do both, strip a lot of material in short time as well as offer the smooth finish for tasks that demand precision. Quintessentially Makita. If you've used Makita power tools before, you wouldn't be surprised at the tough construction of the 9903. They build tools that last and the 9903 is no different. It is designed to withstand vigorous use in a harsh workshop environment. The dust collector and the powerful blower ensure that the workplace stays spotless all day. List number 4. TackLife, Best Budget Belt Sander. The TackLife 3x18-inch belt sander is hands down one of the most feature-rich choices at this price point. It offers all the standards that one expects from entry-level handheld sanders, and clubs it with some best-in-class specifications that make it a versatile choice for both beginner woodworkers as well as someone looking to upgrade from a cheap, store-bought model. One of the features that stands out is the option to convert it into a handy benchtop sander if need be. Just flip it over and use the rectangular clamps provided in the package to mount it on any flat work surface. You can also mount it on a sawhorse, or clamp it across. List number 5. Makita 9924DB, Tough Construction. Talking about Makita, here's the 9924B, the 20-year-old, pocket-sized offering from the brand that's still the preferred choice for cabinet makers and old-school woodworkers. At a time when newer brands are wooing customers with fancy features, Makita still relies on the build quality and the ease of use of their belt sanders. And in the end, that's what it all boils down to. The Makita 9924B has an extended base plate that allows cabinet makers to sand flush to the wall, both with the front and the side of the sander. Irrespective of whether you are sanding for furniture or just stripping off the varnish of a surface, the 1,300 feet per minute speed of the Makita is a time saver.